In this lecture, we will learn about circle command. Right now, we are in trimetric plane, but for sketching, we need to select default planes. Now, we are in front plane. This is circle command option. Click on drop down. Here, you can see two types of circle, that is circle and perimeter circle. Click on circle. Click on origin and drag the mouse to position the circle. Right click, select. Select Smart Dimension. Click on circle and give diameter value of 100 mm. Click OK. Right click and select. Select whole sketch and delete it. Go to the next option, that is parameter circle. Basically, parameter circle is a 3-point circle. Click at first point, second point and third point. Right click, select. Give dimension, Smart Dimension, type 100 mm, click OK. Right click, select. This is our circle command.